When people choose American Tank Company when they need a water tank, there's a few reasons why. We do what we say, no matter what it costs us. That's not too common anymore. We are a family-run company, not just my kids that work here, but our family out in the shop and out in the field. Our customers can actually come here and walk out in the shop and take a look at how we hand fab this stuff here, and then see our same guys show up out on their job and put it up. We're a really tight-knit little group of people here. I think our customers sense that. We'll buy raw sheet goods, bring it in, we punch it, we corrugate it on an 80-year-old barrel corrugator that actually has a tag on the motor, a GE motor from 1897. We love what we do and doing a good job for our customers. We build water storage tanks for a variety of uses. Fire protection, drinking water, irrigation. The thing that makes us unique is we make it ourselves. Steel's boring by itself, but you mix in guys that have a passion for forming it into something like a corrugated water tank. Every one of our tanks is handcrafted. Everything we do is by hand. They've been making tanks like this for 100 years. And it's a lost art. Made in America is, it's real here, and we're doing it.